welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya. You can find me online as VolverVintage. This is another WhatNot unboxing. I have 5 packages. I need to delete the app for now because I can't shop anymore. I did have $60 worth of referral credit that I did spend. So the thing about referral credit is that you still have to pay out of pocket for shipping. The credit only goes towards the purchase. So if you have a $10 credit and you buy a $5 item, only $5 worth of your credit applies. So it will only apply to cover the item. And if the shipping is still $9, then you still have to pay the $9 shipping. So it is a little tricky, but $60 worth of credit is still very good. So I do have a referral link. If you want to sign up for WhatNot, you also get $10 towards your first purchase when you sign up using my code down below. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. This is item number 1 from Ann Eckhart. So I'm pretty sure you're familiar with Ann. I'm gonna link her video down below. She actually just did a really good video about her experience selling on WhatNot. And I actually just filmed mine today as well. So I'm going to link that video up above if you're interested in seeing what my experience as a seller has been. And I 100% agree with everything that Ann said in her vlog. It just, to me, live selling in general is just an added tool. Like, it's not going to replace regular reselling, which is like listing on platforms and things like that. Ooh, she has really cool stickers. WhatNot, estate sales and vintage, and she has her link tree. Very smart. And I know she has a sticker page, so I need to be creative like that. So she did include her packing slip, which phenomenal. So her show was vintage salt and pepper shakers. It was on September 13th. And I bought this metal lantern set. I liked it because it gave me like old tavern vibes. And I like that. So I did pay $11 for this set. So here it is. It's a metal, it's an anchor. It's a metal anchor and it has these 2 little lanterns. And these are salt and pepper shakers. They're glass. And you unscrew them from the top. But I just thought they were so cool. Really cool for like an old tavern vibe. Incorporate these into your Halloween decor, which is what I'm gonna do. I really like them. So these are from Ann. Thank you so much. I love them. So this is box number 2. Okay, here's my slip. Okay, so this is from Tater Tot 1022. Her show, this was her first live show. So I really like going in whenever it's somebody's first show to just support. And it was vintage holiday items. So I purchased a pumpkin tea light and some ghost brooches. So I paid $12 in total for all of this. The tea light was $5 and the brooches were $7, and it was a lot of 2. Buying a lot of Halloween for my personal collection. So I purchased this ceramic pumpkin tea light. And this is what it looks like. Isn't it so cool? This little pumpkin, you put your votive candle in there and then this will spin. The Halloween pins. So it was a lot of 2 Halloween pins. One of them was a little ghost. And then the other one is a gold tone little ghost, and it says boo. You can see it. Yeah, there you go. Boo. Package number 3. Okay, this one is from Vintage Gal 48. I think I've purchased from her before. So I picked 3 items and they were $3 each. So I spent $9. So she was doing a pick 1 auction. So she had like a bunch of items listed, and then if you won the auction, you got to pick which one you wanted. So first off was this garland of like felt skeletons. So this was in one of her rounds. Super cute, very like cutesy. I love like cutesy Halloween. This was $3, so I bought this. I thought it was cute. Item number 2 is this cute little ghost. It's not a shaker, it's just a little ceramic ghost and a pumpkin. The second ghost is this one. It's another little ghost with a pumpkin. So each one was $3, $3. And the garland was $3. So thank you so much, Vintage Gal. Love them. Number 4, this is clothes. So in my last unboxing, I said it was kind of hard to find vintage clothing, and I found another seller. Her name is Hello Magpie. Her show was true vintage 50s through Y2K. She had Gunny Sacks, Levi's, single stitch tees, and more, and it was on September 10th. I bought 2 items. One of them was a Mickey Mouse sweater. I paid $10 for that one. And the second one was a vintage Hawaiian shirt and short set. So this is a Hawaiian set, very well packaged. Has these exact same poly mailers. So this is a Hawaiian cabana set. So it's a men's short set, but women can wear these as well. So the tag, very good condition. The elastic is there. So these are the shorts. And then this is the top. And the tag is Island Creations. So it's probably from the 60s, and I'm gonna save this for when Viva Las Vegas comes around and sell it online in my Etsy shop. This is for resale. I paid $13. I think I can list that for like $80, between $75 and $100 easy. And then the second item was the Mickey Mouse sweatshirt, which is for me. And I did pay $10 for this, which is a great deal. This is a knit sweater. It's on a vintage Mickey & Co. tag. It's 100% acrylic. It's a size medium, but it's really oversized. Really cool sweater. It has stripes. Really cute. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. So this is for me, 10 bucks. Hello Magpie. I'm going to link her down below. If you're interested in finding vintage on WhatNot, check her out. My last package from WhatNot. So I don't see a packing slip, but I know this is from Kim at Vintage Gal Picks. And she had a Halloween sale. I'm going to type it down here once I have time to review it in the app. And I'm also going to type how much I paid for each item because I don't see the packing slip. So this is a little vintage Dracula night owl candle. This is an oil lamp, but I thought it was really cool. It has a little vintage Dracula on it, so this is just gonna be for decor. It's glass, super cute, and I can't remember how much. I'm gonna type it here how much I paid for it. And it's new in the box. This set of little hand painted candy corns, I thought they were cute. So little ceramic hand painted candy corns. Oh, I actually won her giveaway. She had a giveaway at the beginning of the show, and I won. This was free. It's kind of like a little snow globe, but it says boo and it has a little bat. So I got that for free. I won her giveaway. And then this is the last item. Johanna Parker. This is a Johanna Parker little black cat soap dispenser. I hear these are hard to find now. So yeah, this Johanna Parker Black Cat soap dispenser. This is everything that I've got on WhatNot up until I think September 16th was my last purchase, and that's it. I'm not shopping anymore. I used up all of my credit already and then some, and it's time to turn off the app, at least for now. So as you can see, I like to shop in the vintage and estate sale vintage decor section. I just find that there's a lot of deals that you find. A lot of people start their auctions off at $1, $3. And I do love to always pop into vintage clothing shows. Again, it's hit and miss because some people just don't upload their items, so you just kind of have to wait around or ask if they have a certain item you're looking for. This vendor was really great. They had everything uploaded, so I really enjoyed her show, and I would highly recommend to follow her if you're interested in vintage clothing. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like and subscribe down below. I do videos every Monday and Wednesday and would love to see you here. So thank you guys so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.